Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm here to help you get set up for your first Zoom call on a tablet. Zoom is great for connecting to others and has some fun and useful features that I would like to show you. Zoom features work differently on computers, tablets, and smartphones. This tutorial is for people using Zoom on a tablet. First, start by downloading the Zoom Cloud Meetings application to your mobile device or tablet. Once you open the app, you can join a meeting as a guest or by signing in. Most likely, you will be joining a meeting as a guest or attendee. To do so, click the Join a Meeting button. Once clicked, you will be asked to enter the meeting ID number. This is included in the invitation email sent by the host. Just below it, you are able to enter in your name prior to joining. Once you enter the meeting ID number and your name, click the Join button. Make sure to leave the Don't Connect to Audio and turn off My Video Join options unchecked. Zoom will prompt you to enter in the meeting password if one is required, which should be included in the invitation email. Enter in the password and click Continue. A video preview screen will appear where you can make adjustments prior to entering the meeting. Then click Join with Video. You will then join the Zoom meeting. If the host has the waiting room feature enabled, you may need to wait for them to add you into the meeting. Once they let you in, click Call using Internet Audio. Once in the meeting, you can change your view from speaker view to gallery view. This allows you to change how many people you see and how it is displayed on the screen. This may look different depending on the size of your screen. For example, if you are using a phone, you may only be able to view the person who is speaking. You can turn your camera on or off by clicking on the camera icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can also change your background. This is a fun feature that keeps the call interesting. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you will see an icon with 3 dots. This icon will open up a drop-down menu with several options. Click on Virtual Background. Once you've selected the background you want, click the X to go back to the meeting. This comes in handy too when you have family in the background that you don't want to be on camera. You can chat with others while in a session. This is great if you have a question for the group, are unable to use your microphone, or don't want to interrupt the conversation. Click on the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and select Chat. Then type your comment or question. You can use this drop-down menu to select sending your chat to the whole group or just with one person. Please note that everything that is written in the chat box is saved in the transcript history, which can only be accessed by the presenter. Please make sure that you are comfortable sharing personal information before hitting the Send button. Zoom also lets you share emojis, so you can react to conversations in real time. They are a great way to express your feelings during a session. You can mute and unmute yourself to manage any background noise. To mute or unmute, click on the microphone icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen next to the camera icon. If you are muted, this will appear red with a slash over it. If you are unmuted, it will appear white. If the host gives you permission to share your screen or documents, you can do so by clicking the Share Content icon at the top and select Screen. Once the meeting is over, you can leave the meeting by clicking Leave Meeting in the upper left corner of the screen. This was a very short overview of some of the essential features that participants can use on Zoom. If you want to learn more, just Google Zoom Video Tutorials, and you will see multiple web pages and videos to show you more features. Good luck, and we hope to see you virtually soon.